editor.trimAutoWhitespace remove trailing auto inserted whitespace. So let me show you what this looks like. By default, this is set true, and if you press enter, VS Code will automatically detect that you are on this indentation, and it will automatically insert that tab. If we comment this just to leave that line there, and we keep pressing enter, and then we go up, we're not at the correct indentation anymore. And if we write something here, notice that that space there got removed. I'm going to do it again so you can see it. So we're on this indentation, and we're still on that indentation, and we're going up. And when we write something, that indentation was removed. Now, if you set this to false, let me show you how this behaves now. You have that indentation, and when you press enter, you're keeping that indentation there. So now if you go up, you're still at the same indentation. If you want to go back an indentation level, you actually have to delete the tab or the spaces, right? Now, I don't very much like having to, when I press enter, I don't like the fact that when I go up, I'm not at the correct indentation anymore. I find this to be a little bit annoying. So I'm actually going to leave this setting as false to make sure that by default, we're always going to be at the correct indentation unless we remove it. So we would have to do something like this.